Hi, good morning. Indira Ashok Shah here. Today I'll be making mixed vegetable akki roti. Akki means rice roti. Okay, for this I have taken a homegrown, organically grown dill. See, this is dill. Okay, this is called as Sapsige Soppu in Kannada or Sabja Kire in Tamil. So I have finely cut that onion, then carrot, then capsicum, then green chili, coconut scrapings, and jeera. Okay, now mix everything. So carrot, dill, onion, capsicum, coconut scraping, green chili, and jeera. Okay, let me mix it. See, I have mixed it. A beautiful color. Now add salt. Required salt. Now add rice flour. This is the rice flour. I have added rice flour. Rice flour has been added. Now this is cooked rice, mashed rice. Okay, you can add it because this will give a nice taste and crispiness. Okay, now let me make the dough adding water. Here, the consistency should be like this. Now I'll show you how to make the roti, akki roti. Now take a tawa, okay? Grease the tawa like this. This is an iron tawa and this is quite big and very old. I think this was given during my wedding. So take a big ball like this, put it in the center and just spread it. Now wet your fingers. When you wet your fingers, the dough doesn't stick to them. You can spread it easily. Try this today. This is a very tasty snack item or breakfast item, whatever you call. You can even have it for the dinner. Add any vegetable of your choice, but not bindi or beans or anything, carrot, beetroot or anything like that. Something that goes with this. You can even add moringa leaves, that is drumstick leaves, which is very good for health. Here, pull it from the center and take it to the corner. Whenever I make any breakfast, I always make it a point to add any vegetable to that. Because we being vegetarians, we need to eat more vegetables. So I try to add them in everything. So now make a hole like this. This enables the roti to cook evenly. And now add oil. Now I'll keep them on the flame. Here, it's turning brown. You can just check. Now, flip it the other side. While flipping, be careful that the oil should not splash on you. Now, add some more oil. Cook it crisp. I've put off the flame because this is done. You can check the other side here. Just fold it. So your mixed vegetable akki roti is finally over. You can eat it with any chutneys. Today I have put tomato chutney. Okay, so this is a very tasty item. Kindly make it and give me your feedback, which is very necessary for me. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell button for the notification. So thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel in the name of Indira Shah. Thank you again. Thanks for Vela for clicking my videos always. Thank you.